there is so much pollution due to these industries. Let me wear a mask. Hi friends, welcome to 4th lecture on Class 10 Geography, Chapter 6. You may have guessed the topic for today. It is industrial pollution. In the 2nd and 3rd lecture, we studied about many of our industries. Although these industries have contributed significantly to India's economic development, they cause pollution of air, land, water, noise, and result in environmental degradation. So the 5 major types of pollution, industrial pollution, which we will study today are air pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. So let's begin. First, let's discuss about air pollution. The presence of high proportion of undesirable gases like carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide leads to air pollution. Smoke is emitted by many industries like chemical and paper factories, brick kilns, refineries, smelting plants, burning of fossil fuels in the factories. Due to negligence, there are toxic gas leaks from industries. Nobody can forget the Bhopal gas tragedy which took place due to such negligence, and there was a toxic gas leak. Air pollution affects human health, animals, plants, and atmosphere as a whole. Second, water pollution. It is caused by organic and inorganic industrial wastes and effluents discharged into rivers. Major water pollutants are dyes, detergents, fertilizers, plastics, acids, and solid wastes such as fly ash, iron and steel slags. Industries responsible for it are paper, chemical, textile, dyeing, electroplating, and petroleum refining industries. Third, thermal pollution of water. It is caused when hot water from thermal power plants or industries is drained into rivers and homes directly. It causes death of aquatic life. Fourth, land pollution. Dumping of wastes like glass, industrial effluents, and garbage makes the soil useless. Rainwater falling from the polluted land carries many of the pollutants further into the ground and pollutes the groundwater. So in this way, land pollution can also lead to groundwater pollution. Wastes from nuclear power plants cause cancer, birth defects, and miscarriages. So sometimes the harmful nuclear wastes are also discharged or dumped in the ground, and this causes many diseases. Fifth, noise pollution. Unwanted sound is an irritant and source of stress. It also causes hearing impairment, increased heart rate, and high blood pressure. Causes of noise pollution. These are industrial machinery, construction activities, generators, electric drills, and saws. Now, after learning about all these types of pollution, let's see how to control the pollution. So, methods to control water pollution. First, minimizing the use of water by reusing or recycling it in 2 or more successive stages. Second, regulating the use of groundwater by industries. Third, water harvesting. And fourth, treating hot water and effluents before releasing them in the rivers and ponds. So let's see how can we treat these hot water and effluents. This wastewater treatment is done in 3 phases: the primary, secondary, and tertiary stage. Primary treatment involves mechanical means like screening, grinding, and sedimentation. Secondary treatment involves using some biological processes and bacteria. Tertiary treatment requires some chemical processes. Now let's see few methods to control air pollution by industries. So the particulate matter in air can be reduced by using smokestacks, fabric filters, scrubbers, and inertial separators. The smoke can be reduced by using oil or gas instead of coal in factories. Controlling noise pollution. Industrial machinery and generators should be fitted with silencers. Noise absorbing material may be used. The worker should use earplugs and earphones to prevent the noise from entering their body. Now let's see example of one such industry which has followed all these steps and has tried to prevent industrial pollution. This is NTPC. It is a major power providing corporation in India. This corporation has followed a proactive approach for preserving environment and resources like air, water, oil and fuels in places where it is setting up its plants. It has shown the way for sustainable development of industries. So all the other industries should take inspiration from NTPC and try to reduce industrial pollution. With this note, let's end up this chapter. If you like these videos, then do subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubts, then ask in the comment box.